I'm Dustin Bernardino, a member of Philippine Crump Clan Hybrids of Freedom, a member and choreopool of A-Team PH, and founder of Autonomicus Crew. Crump is not hip-hop. Basically, parehas po silang dance styles, parehas silang free-moving na nag-e-express ng emotions. But Crump kasi nag-originate siya through violence po. So way back 2000, 2001, 2002, sobrang gulo po sa America where it's originated sa LA. So dun po siya talaga na nag-start. That's why very aggressive po yung movements, very powerful po. Kasi instead of being violent to one another, they just turn it into dance. Yun po. To be honest, nung sinabi po ni Kuya Marco, ni Teacher Marco na he wants to invite me sa Halili, hindi na po ako nagtanong ng ibang detalye. I just said, sige, go agad kasi we all know isa to sa top sa Pilipinas ng ballet school, and to be invited here nang hindi naman ako nagbaballet, wala rin akong background, and even wala rin akong connection po sa Halili, it's very flattering, and I'm super grateful to be here po, and talagang surreal yung feeling po. Nung nagsa-start ako, siguro mga third meeting po, doon ko na-realize yung strength nila and yung mga pwede nilang i-improve sa Crump po. Amazingly, the students are really good at picking up combinations. Alam ko naman po to way before pa, pero nakaka-amaze pa din makita na kapag ballet background po talaga, sobrang lakas ng core and legs. Grabe po yung technique and lakas. Nakaka-amaze po sa mga bata. Nung una kong nalaman to na 5 days straight of Crump, sabi ko, parang hindi okay yun parang mauubos yung mga bata dun. But nung ginagawa ko na po on my process po, sobrang nakakatuwa na 5 days straight natin to ginawa, because the kids are really learning, the kids are really adapting, and they adapt fast. My experience with Halili is super saya and at the same time super bitin. I really wanted to see the kids bloom, see the kids grow in Crump, and sobrang po talaga, sobrang grateful to be here. Sobrang grabe po yung mga teachers, even the teachers take classes. Sobrang nakaka-humble po yun. Yung part na yun struck me na you gotta hit the studios. You need to keep learning para meron kang ma-absorb and meron kang mabigay sa mga tinuturuan mong students and all that. So, really grateful to be here. I'm really honored and flattered and humbled na napasama po sa mga na-invite this year's Premena. Katulad ng sinabi po ng mga teachers dito, ako lang po yata yung na-invite from Manila, and it's really an honor to be here. It's really surreal experience. Hindi po ako makapaniwala na nandito ako, and I've never thought na I'll be able to teach here and I'll be able to meet the students and the teachers.